TikTok creators are cashing out big, and posting content will change your life if you start straight away. I discovered a cheat code of an unpopular niche with almost no competition, and you can start getting millions of views right off your first post. All you need to do is try it out, as people can't get enough of these videos. These are rare and super cute and can also be used for Instagram or YouTube Short. Let's have a look at this creator making money with simple videos you can create in 3 simple and super easy steps, all with the use of AI. Most people think these videos are real, and these posts get really high engagements, which boost the video as favorite with TikTok algorithm. Imagine you having an account like this with fewer videos and many followers. Just stay on this video, let me show you how it is done. In step 1, we create the prompt to generate our desired image. As complex as it sounds, we simply use ChatGPT for this. We will be using some screenshot from the picture saw on TikTok to generate this. We attach it to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to write 10 prompts to generate the images of very cute, happy animals playing underwater. We also tell ChatGPT to make the prompt in such a way that the images generated will have the same quality as the attached image. This is for illustration purpose only, but remember, you can be very detailed with your prompt. Therefore, tweak it the way you would like your images to be generated. Just go through the prompt and copy the ones you prefer to use. The second step is to generate our image. There are several AI tools you can use for this, such as Midjourney, DALL-E, Meta AI. However, for this project, we will be using Leonardo.ai, which is an AI-powered image generation platform. This will create us realistic and high-quality images through advanced machine learning algorithms. I have left the link in the description of this video. Once in Leonardo.ai, click on Image Creation to bring us to this page. Your free subscription should enable you generate images. We are going to paste our copied prompt form ChatGPT into the prompt bar and ensure to select image dimension of 9:16 ratio for TikTok videos. We then click Generate and our images will be generated. Repeat for the next prompt, just like I generated images for the kitten, and now I did same for the young udder prompt. Just select your favorite and then save these images for use in next step. The final stage involves video creation with Hailuoai. This is an AI tool which allows users to create high-quality video content from simple text prompts or images. Once in the dashboard, you will find options for either text-to-video generation and image-to-video generation. You are offered 1,000 credits, which enable you to create videos for a start, and I am also going to place a link in the description for this AI tool. All you do is just paste the prompt and then upload the image generated from Leonardo.ai. Click on the Generate button with the coins displaying how many coins to use, and give the tool some minutes to generate your video. How quick it does? This usually depends on how many people are generating at the time as you are. And there you go, we have our video sorted. Just download the videos. You can either upload this individual videos or the images we created, or if you want a longer video, add 2 or more and upload according to your preference. If you would like to go with the last option of adding the videos together, this can be done in CapCut, which is a video editing tool, and it's easy to use. Just create a new project and click Modify to ensure the aspect ratio is on the 9:16 for TikTok videos. Now import all the generated videos you would like to use. Add them into the timeline in order of preference. Select a transition style. When we play the video, it is soundless and boring, so we add a background music. Click on Audio, on Music type, search Soft Music. Listen and add the music that sounds good to you into the timeline. And then just remove any overlapping section to align both components. Now let's listen to the sound of it. Sound perfect. We now download our first created TikTok video. Now let's have a look at what we generated. Drop a comment and let me know of what you think. Start creating and posting on TikTok today. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.